Welcome to Wax Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the best set of pads that DSC make in the Perla range, the DSC Perla Lusters, and it goes with the Perla aesthetic of white and this royal blue over here. These pads leave no stone unturned when it comes to their dedication to offering you the best amounts of protection at the best quality while making it quite comfortable as well. So let's start talking about these. In terms of the layout, it's quite similar to the Invincible stun pads, wherein it's all reverse cane, with the difference being that these pads are significantly lighter compared to the DSC Invincible stuns, as the foam here is a lot more stiff but also a lot less dense, which means it's lighter with the slimmer canes underneath for the reverse cane system, offering you really good test quality protection on these. The top cap over here does angle in quite a bit, which offers you really good coverage along the thigh area. So when you do squat down in your stance, your thigh is really well covered too, along with a really thick and high density foam side wing which extends quite a bit so that your calves in the exposed area are covered pretty well. The DSC embossing here at the base of the pad is in blue to go with the Perla theme, along with really good quality PU piping at the base of the pad so that this area doesn't get scuffed up too easily. Moving inside, at the base of the pad you get a really premium leather material at the foot base so that when your foot does rub against this area, it doesn't wear out quite easily, which is the sign of a really premium set of batting pads, which someone like a Gun & More doesn't even incorporate on their top end pads. So that's a really good addition there. The pads inside are lined with a towel lining, which makes these incredibly soft to wear along your legs, mopping up the sweat and giving you a really plush and soft feel as well. There's padding underneath the buckle so that they don't dig into your skin, making it more comfortable to wear, with a butterfly buckle along the middle strap so that it doesn't break as easily. The knees are really well covered too, with a triple layer protection with a plastic cup along the knee pocket, along with an inch layer of gel foam, and this bit over here to give you the best amounts of protection along the knee, which is quite stiff so that it's comfortable. It gives you a snug fit and make sure nothing hits you in the knee as hard. In terms of the padding over here along the leg area, it's trademark DSC really soft memory foam like padding over here, so it wraps around your legs quite comfortably, along with the TPU bolster running across the whole shin, so that along with the reverse cane and this incredibly thick padding over here, there's an additional layer of padding underneath which gives you the best amounts of protection. All up, one of the best sets of top end pads that you could get on the market, which doesn't break the bank and offers you some of the best protection there is, with some of the softest feel there is as well. So if you're looking to get these, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.